Hi, we are Sales Tax and More. Today we are talking about what to do when you've determined the economic nexus in each state, but need time to research taxability. The short answer is it depends, and it's going to depend on a number of factors. The first is, what are you selling? If you're selling tangible personal property, by default, tangible personal property is going to be taxable. If a seller has a large amount of exposure and it's growing every day, they might consider getting registered everywhere because chances are what they are selling is going to be taxable. If you're selling something that has a lot of exemptions, you should look at the states where your greatest exposure would lie. We recommend concentrating on the states where your exposure could be largest first. We may also suggest getting registered in the top 5 states where you'd have exposure and then work down your list until you get to the smallest states. The other way to go about this is to concentrate on the states that are most aggressive when it comes to using the actual date of nexus. When some people register, they just want to register on a going forward basis. They don't want to pay any of the back taxes. They just want to start being compliant on a going forward basis. The states don't want you to do that. If they ever catch you, then you're going to have to pay all of the back tax prior to that period, plus the penalty and interest. This is because there's no statute of limitations if you've never filed a return for the period. In reality, states can still go back 7, 8, 10 years and sometimes even longer for those transactions. So you want to make sure that you're going to look at the states who are going to audit you aggressively. So your specific facts and circumstances are going to play a big part into what you should do. But in general, we recommend starting where your greatest exposure is and working your way down that list. Don't wait until all of the research is done. Do it in manageable chunks so you can get registered and start collecting tax as soon as possible. For more information and other free resources, including webinars, blogs, and podcasts, or any questions, you can reach out to us at salestaxandmore.com.